marketing communications, bringing you a time-saving tip. Anyway, I don't know if you knew, but you can duplicate posts for your Facebook business page. These posts can't be any older than 60 days old. So, and you can't duplicate video, but you can duplicate graphics. So, to duplicate a post, you go to your business suite on your Facebook business page. So you click on business suite. And my Facebook business suite is opening up. And then you pick a graphic post. So I'm going to pick this one, Wednesday Wisdom. Duplicate post. So you click the three dots, and then in the drop down it shows up duplicate post. And then I'm going to go ahead and save this as a draft so I can reuse it in the future, just tweak the copy, change it, but I will have the same picture. So that is how you duplicate a post within Facebook Business Suite. Please follow me, share this post to help your friends save time in